Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's good to see you. You're looking good. You're looking fresh. Wow. I got to tell you what, when you live with James, there's always different cars showing up in the garage, just sitting there, and you're just like, where did this come from? And sometimes it's the same car, but it's totally different. Just... All right, we have a lot to do today, but I think the most important thing that we need to do is get up all in the new 2020 purple wide body Supra with white wheels, the first in Utah, LOL. Check out the air ride and the whole bit. The air ride last night was the first time I've seen air ride in real life, and it was just like, it was crazy. First though, I need to rinse off the Shelby, give it a proper rinse off. And I do want to give a shout out to the Green Canyon ladies volleyball team up in Logan, Utah. They just won the state tournament for volleyball. The games were intense. It was super exciting. Congrats to all of you. It's a lot of work, a lot of effort. Congratulations. But now a cold startup in the 2018 Shelby GT350. And when I say cold, I mean like it's cold here. And I also honestly haven't started it in like a week. So this should be good. I need the keys, duh. I got them, we're good. That was nice, huh? Man, that was good. Okay, now we got to take care of all of that with that. Last time I tried to use it, it didn't work. I forgot to actually open the gas line. So yeah, we should be good now. Did you think that was a Supra? It wasn't the Supra. That was my Shelby.
Sounded like an American vehicle to me.
That's right. That's right. Dog. Hey. Now that I backed out the Shelby, yes, I am still leaking coolant. I don't even know what to say. I know, I didn't do the foam spray gun cool thing that looks good. I'm gonna be honest, I've never done it. I don't really, Clayton, Faith, can you guys, I need some lessons. Okay, it's coming along nicely, but I just got a text from James. He needs a ride in like, shortly. Let's get into it. You ready? You guys ready? Now I know most of you have seen it already on his channel, but are you kidding me? Look at that. It's just, it's ridiculous. Plain and simple, it's ridiculous. The wing, the wheels, just the girth of it, how low it is. I don't know what else to say, but wow. The exhaust is awesome though, so I'm gonna do a startup, get it into the driveway, into the sun. So I have not driven this since we raced the Gallardo, and it obviously did not look like this. Also, it's going to SEMA this weekend, so I can't break anything, so it's a little intense, but let's enjoy the noise. All right, there she is. What do you guys think? You saw obviously when I did the startup, it just like that quick. Let's actually get in. Let's get John, see if he's still lifting. I'm hustling. Is this copyright music?
It might be. Hold on.
All right. Guess what? I did work out today, just so everybody knows.
I heard
we're working towards the goals.
I heard the mobile this morning.
That's right.
Heading over to the local box gym.
That's right. Quick question. I got the Supra out. James needs a ride in a minute. Hey, do you want to go pick him up with me? Check with the wife. Checking. He's discussing.
Ask the wife.
Can he go with me to get James?
Yes.
Okay, you heard it. Okay, I'm gonna throw it back in the garage real quick because we're gonna go get him in the Shelby and then bring him, and then we're gonna get, don't worry, we're gonna get more time with the Supra. We're gonna ride in it back to where we're picking him up from. It makes sense, don't worry about it. Okay, the reason I recorded that is proof to everybody I did not break it before SEMA. We're still good. SEMA, good to go. It wasn't me. Okay, we'll be back in just a second, guys, but first, my agility. Whew, 110% always. Let's go. We'll be back in a second.
First time driving the Shelby.
You've never ridden in the Shelby?
I have been an institution of you and the Stradman.
If it makes you feel better.
Never let me ride in this beast.
First, I do apologize sincerely. If it makes you feel better. James has never driven it.
He hasn't?
And he's been upset about that because I let everyone else drive it. I think what that means is you should drive it soon.
Okay. I'll let
Before
you drive
James.
I'll let you drive my motor home.
Okay, deal. Dude, white wheels? What are you thinking?
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Yeah, without a doubt.
I know.
I'm joking. Full send, full send.
Even John's getting white wheels for the motorhome.
So we went over this in like my last video. You put 42 wheels on it, right? Is that what you did?
We're still on that? I thought we had given that up.
It's an old joke. It's an old joke.
Yeah,
All right.
that's a long overdue joke.
Yeah. 6x6 soon. These are the guys, right?
These are the guys.
These are the guys.
These
These are guys.
Heroes, the 6x6.
Gonna make it 6x6. Okay. Anyways,
It'll be a feature on my channel if you want to link it, but you don't have to. It's really kind of your call.
We'll link the channel. Check it out. This is James, the Stradman. He's got a lot of purple cars, and yeah.
And a cute dog. What? Are you kidding me?
We like Oscar. We like Oscar.
Oscar, I'm gonna tell you.
As long as I don't have to pick up his poop, I like him. Stay tuned, folks. They're gonna get that V12 onto the back of that trailer somehow with math. He says with math.
Magic.
Magic.
Anything's possible if you believe.
All right, I stood on the back of the trailer. I wasn't expecting it to drive off, but the Supra was the focus of the video, obviously. But I think just since we're here, the fact that we're gonna put that where I'm standing behind, that is entertainment of itself. All right, talking logistics, talking angles, talking geometry. Kids, stay in school, do your homework. Math is the best subject. Attempt number 1.
I'm telling you, that's gonna freaking work. Okay, hold on. Dude, my heart is racing right now. I don't even know what it looks like. I can just sit this, and this is terrifying. Alright. Okay.
Hey, straight look. I'm good over here. Hold on, up.
Are you okay?
Yeah, yep.
Here.
Okay, keep going. Right there.
Yeah, we got it.
On the rocker.
The finesse of the V12 takes a skilled driver. Anyone can go 200, but can you take a V12 an inch? Just look at that. Jeez. If you're gonna be in Vegas, pay attention to these two. So this is excellent because I want to take a second real quick to interrupt this video. My cousin is thinking about getting some sort of
This is not the time to be doing this right now.
Wants to get a muscle
Do
car.
you see my neck right now? I'm getting neck cancer.
Well, no,
it's all tweaked. It's gonna get all tweaked.
Tweaks.
This is not good.
It's not good.
You don't work in the medical field,
We
clearly.
will talk to the viewers when we get out of the car, bro.
You're not helping. I want him to get a muscle car. He's got little kids, a little smaller than you, and we can fit 3.
I'm 5'11".
We can fit
A little smaller than you.
5'11". I'm
Giant
not little.
Sasquatch.
We
Oh
can
my
fit 3 adults into this car. So Brad, you should, no excuses. Your kids can fit back there. They'll be fine. I do want to point out we made it back to the Supra with James. Everything's good. Everything. It's not slammed down. I left it in mid position. Yeah. I told you I'm sorry.
I thought,
But
I thought.
we're gonna go get some rollers though of the Supra because we got to go back to where we just were. So we're gonna get rollers. You're welcome for that. There she is, glorious. You know what's crazy is she's got 305 tires, which are the same size as the Shelby. They just look, because of the wheels and stuff, they just look so, man, whoa.
But can they do that?
Sorry, I forgot what I was saying. What just happened? Man. It's just silly. It's just silly.
It is, and that's what makes it so much fun.
Right. This guy with the subtle flex. When you're at an intersection and there's a big purple car with white wheels going up and down, yeah, just imagine what kind of driver is driving that vehicle. I'm gonna be honest, seeing that thing on the road in your rearview mirrors, if you're gonna be in the Vegas area and you see a purple Supra at any point, I should rephrase that. If you're in the vicinity of a purple Supra at any point, you will see it. You will not miss it. It is ridiculous. Bro, what kind of car is that?
It's a BMW.
It looks like a BMW. Yeah, it looks German.
That's my roommate.
We are literally like just driving 30 miles an hour down the road, and it's still so just ridiculous. Even at 30, you don't need to go fast. Let's see it bounce.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
I mean, you're at a light. That's what you do. Yeah. That's just. Hi, everybody. Hi. Hope you're doing great. Hi. Yeah. The key when you're doing rollers is to not hit the car you're shooting rollers of. Just saying. I mean, that looks ridiculous right there. That backdrop, the lighting, money. Question for you: did that guy at the light compliment your vehicle at all, or was it just me?
It's just you, bro.
Just me.
There's that Ford connection.
Because he came up to me and said, "Hey, man, I love that I love your car.
Your car needs to be purple with white wheels. Please, please, purple with white wheels."
What,
Tell him to do it.
What do we got to do? Like a certain number
9
of likes?
likes. 9 likes.
No.
9. No, why not?
No, we got to earn it.
That would be earning.
We got to earn it. Like 90,000 likes.
That's never gonna
And if we don't get 90,000 likes, we'll do it pink, blue, yellow, green, brown,
do it purple.
orange.
Be done with it.
Wow.
Dude, you need window tint, bro. Driving around in a fishbowl.
Did you wait? You fixed your Aventador tint.
Shh.
Did you get that medical permit? Like,
If I rolled into SEMA with a fishbowl and I got there to the entrance and said, Stradman here with the Aventador, and they saw that,
Yeah.
they just tell me to
No.
leave.
Yep.
Honestly, they would. They would.
okay. Yeah, no, I agree. Window tint coming soon, actually, for real. I remember the day you walked into my office and you said, "I'm going to buy a Lamborghini," and I said, "What are you talking about?"
Right.
And now we're looking at that and that. So props.
Thank
Good
you.
luck at SEMA.
Thank you.
Subtle caddy.
Yeah, well, out of nowhere, trying to steal my
Jeez.
thunder. That's the ZR1 wagon.
I was going to say it, but he said it. That, like, off the walls.
That's insane.
And there they go, off into the distant sunset, headed to the largest automotive show in the world. Good luck at SEMA. Man, what a day. I gotta tell you, having James as a good friend, it's crazy the stuff that I see. Those 3 cars together, insane. And to think, it wasn't that long ago he told me he was gonna buy that car, and I was like, what? And he did, and now look at what he's rolling with on the way to SEMA. Crazy. So congrats to James, super awesome, been fun to watch. Now, I told you soon, next video, the mod on the Shelby. You won't be able to see it, but you'll be able to hear it. Did that give it away? Anyways, hope you guys are doing great. Hope you're having fun. Enjoy it. Peace.